Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. All right, second time ever in the air. The FMS Integral, sent to me by Hobby Zone for review. Got another 4,000 Sokokin with an ADC discharge. As far forward as I can get it. All right, let's get turned around here. I'm gonna put my takeoff flaps in. And this time I'm going to try standing behind my camera precious, see if I'm comfortable enough. All right. Here we go. Switch to 100% throws, 30% expo.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
So I'm just getting used to her.
Gear down. Takeoff flaps. Gear up. Flaps up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right, I actually kept her on a runway this time. All right. All right.
Flaps up.
All right, no takeoff flaps this time.
Gear up.
We'll take her up. Take her up again.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
A little Tokyo slide there to slow her down.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
All right, I'm thinking I got her sorted out now. All right, one more takeoff and landing. Here we go.
Gear up. Seconds. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Gears down.
20 seconds.
Oh man. I love that wide gear.
8, 7, flaps up.
All right. Yeah, she's a lot more locked in now. All right. To share with you my landing flaps settings seem to be perfect. Whenever you deploy my landing flaps, lots of times I'm playing with balloon a little bit, and sometimes you put your gear down, you'll nose down a little bit. With the gear down and landing gear all the way down, she's locked in straight. So that means my settings are right, okay? Obviously, flaps up, 0 over 0, okay? Takeoff is 30% with 10% down elevator mix. Landing flaps is 100% with 25% down elevator mix, 2 second deployment. And she seems to be perfect there. Well, you just watched it happen. My rates that I'm flying in, 100% throws over 30% expo on everything, all the way around now. And that seems to be my sweet spot with her. Okay, we had 7 seconds left on a 3.5 minute timer. So let's, prop secured, motor off. Let's see how much juice is in the tank. Okay. %. So really, I think for my next flight, I'm going to put my timer for 4 minutes, and I should be bringing it back about 25%. So yeah, 4 minutes on a 4,000, 100% throws, 30% expo, and you're good to go. Put your 4,000 as far forward as you can possibly get it. And folks, that is the FMS Integral, or Sharky as I like to call it, because it does look like a shark to me. And got some very great gear. The wheels actually, they are firm, but they do have some cushion to them. They do have some cushion to them. So that's good. Now I'm hoping to get this sun to go down a little bit and I can show off the afterburner I installed and you can see the lights. But right now it's so bright you wouldn't be able to see the afterburner anyways. So, well, there you go, folks. That is the FMS Integral 80mm Sport Jet. I call her Sharky, and I love this thing. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, stay family and friends, the Shark Flying Jets. Bye-bye.